Welcome to the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. I love home decor, cooking and baking, vlogs and shopping hauls. And who doesn't love a great tablescape? Well, now to today's video. Hello, Priceless People. Today's video is an after dark clean with me. So I've decided that I'm going to sleep a little later in the morning. So it's time to reset my kitchen so it's nice and clean whenever I get up in the morning. If you're new here, welcome and thanks for stopping by my channel on today. And since you're here, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload of the Priceless Pearl Life. And to my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for coming back week after week, video after video. I see you. Thank you for your likes, your comments, and your shares. And thank you for helping my channel to grow. Listen, you all have been wonderful. Not only have we reached our goal of 300 subscribers, we're almost at 400. Woohoo! Yay me and yay to this Priceless Pearl family. So, you know we're in the midst of a $60 giveaway. So comment down below, are you Team Ross or are you Team Home Goods? To be eligible to win the gift card, you must be 1, a subscriber and an active subscriber, which means you like, you comment, and you share my videos. A winner will be announced on next week, Tuesday, March the 14th. I'm looking forward to see who will win the gift card. Leave a comment down below if you have these 50-cent cups from Wally World. my family simply refuses to use the splatter guard. I think I'm going to trade in for another family. I really think cleaning at night has its advantages. Everyone is sleeping, no one is up to ask for another glass, a cup, a plate, or a bowl. And of course, no one is walking across my freshly mopped floors. Someone called and requested my mom's famous red rice, so she'll be making that in the morning. Last thing for tonight is to mop my floors. Join me next week. That's right. Join me next week for vlog style videos. I have a very important event coming up. And so there will be no home decor, no cooking, no baking. But I have a lot of great things for you on next week. So join me Tuesday, Friday, and a little bit in between. And as always, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. See you in the next video.